Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's broadcast, we will cover three major stories. First, deadly clash in Bolton that left 2 people dead and several injured. Second, a critical warning from the United Nations about a Rapid Support Force RSF fighter entering Abyei. Third, a big change inside the office of the President Salva Kiir Mayardit as Salva Kiir reshuffled key officials. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any our update. Let's begin this report with clash in Bor, where 2 people were killed, several injured during the attack. It was Sunday afternoon in Bolton, and Bolton turned into hour of fear and chaos after gunfire erupted in the city center. A security operation went wrong, leaving 2 people dead. One being a deputy commander of a local defense group known as the Red Bell, and the other a national security officer. The incident took place at the hotel right in the middle of Bolton, where residents reported non-stop gunshot that sent people running for safety. Bor County Commissioner Aten Pech explained that security forces were sent, or they went on a mission, and they were trying to arrest senior leader of the Red Bell group. The government has already labeled this group a rebel organization. Why the operation happened? According to the commissioner, the Red Bell leader Leg Mamir recently issued a 48-hour threat saying he would attack Bor. Because of this, security forces were watching him closely. So on Sunday, officers spotted Leg, the Red Bell group leader, and 6 other men inside a hotel near Bor Main Park. But things changed quickly when the officers arrived. Leg escaped and then gunfire erupted. Who was killed and injured during the attack? The deputy leader of Red Bell, Thon Kwanya Gudmachar, was shot and killed during the exchange. One national security service officer also died. 2 more national security service members were injured. 7 other people were wounded, including the hotel owner and a local wrestler who happened to be nearby. All injured people were taken to Juba for treatment. After recovery, anyone suspected of helping the Red Bell group will face investigation. So who are the Red Bell? The Red Bell is a community-based defense group connected to the Dinka Bor community. They became widely known this year after state officials accused them of attacking government forces, including a serious incident in September 2025. South Sudan National Army later declared them a rebel group, but their leader, Leg Mamir, has denied these accusations in the past. He claimed that the group is only trying to protect local communities, saying they form it because insecurity is rising and the government is not providing enough protection for them. The deadly clash have raised concern among civil society leaders. One activist, Termanyangadwich, strongly condemned the violence. He said there's no reason for citizens to die. This red bell issue came from frustration. People fear the government is failing to provide security. And he warned that South Sudan's growing economic problem might push more young people toward violence group. He urged dialogue, not more fighting. This incident shows a dangerous trend. Local defense groups are growing, people are losing trust in the government security, and the frustration is turning into violence. If no dialogue happens, more communities may form army groups which could push the country toward more instability. Bor Sunday shooting is a warning sign, and the country must pay attention. Let's move on to Abyei. United Nations warned of rapid support force present in Abyei. Abyei is once again facing a serious security problem. The United Nations Interim Security Force for Abyei, UNISFA, say fighters from Sudan Rapid Support Force have entered the region illegally. The Rapid Support Force presence has led to illegal checkpoints, increased criminal activities, and fear among civilians. Abyei is supposed to be a demilitarized area, meaning no military group should be inside. But now, not only the Rapid Support Force, even South Sudanese soldiers have been seen on the southern side of Abyei. This is another violation of the peace deal. Why this is dangerous? Abyei is already a sensitive and disputed land between Sudan and South Sudan. Any small problem that can easily spark conflict, especially with the current tension between Khartoum and Juba. With the Rapid Support Force present, the risk becomes even higher. UNISFA say the illegal checkpoints are blocking movement and scaring farmers and stopping trade. On the same day, the warning was issued. The UN Security Council renewed UNISFA mandate. This means UNISFA will continue protecting civilians and mediating local peace agreement. Right now, UNISFA is the only neutral force keeping Abyei from falling into complete chaos. What this means for South Sudan? The president of the Rapid Support Force in Abyei and South Sudanese forces entering restricted areas show how fragile the situation is. The border mechanism between the two countries is frozen. There's no direct communication, no meeting, no progress. And this leaves Abyei vulnerable to clash between communities, cross-border raid, and power struggle. The Rapid Support Force has been expanding its influence across Sudan, and now it is movement toward Abyei is worrying. Sudan is unstable, South Sudan is under pressure, and Abyei is caught in the middle. Without a strong international response, the region could fall into violence again, and innocent civilians will pay the price. In another report, President Salva Kiir Mayardit fire top official. Major change within the government. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has made a major personal office change. Two key officials have been removed and replaced through presidential decree. Those affected include Moses Row Abyei, the president, private secretary, and personal assistant. Second, John Madingbul, the deputy commissioner of the Revenue Authority. In the decree issued, Col Santo Arech is now new private secretary and personal assistant to the President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Moses Row Abyei, although removed, has been reappointed as the deputy commissioner of the Revenue Authority. John Madingbul has been relieved of his position. You know, what does this mean politically? Change like this inside the office of the president usually reflect power reorganization. President Kiir may be tightening control, balancing political interests, or responding to internal disagreement. Any change in the president's inner circle often signal that new strategies or political direction are coming. This reshuffle showed the political environment is shifting. As 2025 continue, more government change may follow as Kiir position people he trusts closer to him. Bana shongon gwasmo. Jo bana kwen gwasme bana right kaleri kon lat kurudien. Te kon ke important update te de kon keling. Kalera nyama bana rightin ba right ko koran je tuok dor shal kame boro. Boro che jojo gwano te kering mi tuoktin. Dor shal mo boro. Yala ro ko ye tuoktin chane dangro sha kan nak ka chane to ngwan cha mo ka bot. Boro che ga jongle state te under Dr. Abyei jala governor. Ka Sunday ka changdar dor shal mo boro ko le la rek. No. Watch at a meeting one at Dwayton, la city center. Security operation Chickaway and Wenamo. La we jack along drop down you can talk again. Gather down chicken and watch room. Can Wenny tin content chalk red bell group. Michigan Gajago was Shikaru and dry match. And Wenamo in a danger of Shikalu on spot. Ramashanek, a deputy commander, Caret Bell Group. A query road, a Caret Bell Group, a Jan Shana Gona. Ramdodian, a road, a national security officer. Query me a Querkel Caret Bell Group, Mimo, deputy, Chelu, Chanagan Guasamo, Banshur Banjalimbo Guasme, Charam Kelka national security officer, Chaja Yed and Yom Batkaja, a Koramo, Bor. And Korame Kirigame Toga Reo Taylor. Therefore, pointed Kabur town. One Wenamo, she Nicola local community, she can report K. Chajala no nana. Then a culture to walk a day minute to one chaka do it non stop. Do I canaka charano? What you need you now portray rack. You need the Arodian Barchuk way low work Arodian toko, don't char and be bad. Kajama Chala the Bor County Commissioner, Wunmushala 10 page, Chalado nana. A general security force, Chakalas commission. Commission DNA become queer Red Bell group. You can okay. A Red Bell group can Chakachon Oken a rebel organization, local Jidwar. Jelly build on a Shakalatin. Do down a little operation and make a Jacanity County la security force, which in me. Kajo Chala the commissioner. A general Red Bell group leader in Michelle Legma Mayor. According to a pioneer, we talk about this, right? Channel Radno and Chicon Laden would shall Legma Mayor, Jen Jella leader dung a Red Bell group. Jen she ordered Chejitu. Che Boer Town, a queer Dr. Guy Cook Chejumuke 48 hour. And no bigger respond, Commission Ladano, Michigan fail, chicken community, chicken a bugang, a can be a gang. 48 hour threat. Komo can chicken rajamo chicken lat bekan bor bekan attack ki bekan bor bekan mark ko tani jen down one in badak ka jen ku ikena mo shwa security force ke le shwa enang no ko gbe ke go down bug ben ke je ke Sunday watch you need to contact la deni key officers watch you can go down to leg ma merton Red Bell group you can ejek kana ngwan dang bakel ko kien te ka kel watu gare hotel ka Kabor main park jen gwadan ticketing nega shop officer in gwad wan shukuru den dwara chukoyo to and when watch you leg ma mer shuro da bar no watch you koyo to gwad mo kol mi dit leg ma mer la this Red Bell crew leader shuro da bar gwad mi shangach you koyo to gwad mo within that place to a deputy leader dung Red Bell and good leg ma mer wun mi shala ton kwany agun machar enwet ton kwany agun machar cho ajana ngwasamo ka chuliu ka chuaram kel kenya national security service cho ajana ni wenamo no shwa national security service dangro shwa mu ka bot shwa ne dang baro ko kin the ordinary citizen are which born gwad mu shwa mu ka bot ne dang baro tiram dana la kwero til ka terede wakati local wrestler ne ko la kwirtere ram kelke madin yal ne dang baro ko til ngoni amu ka bot kan national security service officer dang ro ne ko amu ka bot wakan yal chaga nang ka juba gwadin chanang dul walten ba ko tij mite ram mo tike link ka gen red bell group me wa ba ko tij mu bot ken ka go chala do red bell group kwa ka investigate mem right ko na tema go gen o dongde ko da ne to by any time dor shal ka mo ebor so de ko dan tijeno ka red bell group wa the red bell group kangane red bell lat ken ken gang ken community ke gang ken jidwarin ka jom chalat waken ka gadin ka bur community kan ngane to ti charin organize ano bikan dorin bikan gang o ken man ken mundien amena gad ken kamurle community jenta da ne chikan lat ke je anu la ka na kan chiang ka chi kume tele mele den kume kirmi yadit you can should declare no ne ba ne chole no red bell group anu gang ne community da ba ne me kan kume je gujina kume kirmi yadit ci South Sudan National Army letter ci kan you declare no ne red bell group a rebel group jen ma dan to but kan yal ka gad jane leg ma mere ne me chaja gwanye non go ci kan mike na kana show the night jene gonye ne lora bang jene kon gang ne community da jenta da na chelat keje we are only simply protecting our community we do not have any problem with the government but cha ko level no kon ka corrable so jo me chelat ci leg ma mere cho da bar che len kana nek cha nen ram da la deputy ke kwere ro da men to kora reaction en cha kullu ben ke men ci to ga community ka ta da na cheliya ya to ga je ka na cha ka nakaje ka cha ne ngwa ya mu bot terma nyang ke rach no na jeni cha violence me che de condemn no tel reason me de ne kon la citizen de ka liu ka ja jeni red bell issue me jeni frustration ke ta dan dong cha ka linga ja so dong tel kom de to me dong cha jo lat ken cha je ling chiro demand ne kana gang ne community da so jen ta dan le ro de so na me jere dan chi to dor chal ka mo e bor ne ro shi ga liu ne dang boro te ka bot wana ka me de cha lat GUN United Nation shi ka right ka kwi duar chal ka ma Abyei ka do budan inshallah region rapid support force shi ka chubrai wich Abyei jen win mishina kon yintin ka gwase dan alote ka ngoda cha yat pinya ne yan wone ne shi kuma rapid support force shi ka dewo kallan dung alalan dung South Sudan ke South Sudan ne shi ka dewo kallan dung Sudan ka ta agreement ga me cha jalat ka ko ran ti to ke glik ka jo me jalat gwase me United Nation interim security force ka Abyei la UNISFA kala do ne kan fighter te la ji rapid support force wa chi ko chop re wutin gwase mo ka do me changa they have entered the region illegally jena kana ngai kana agree kake jena tam rapid support force ya dupton wan chaga yar che te kai te chala illegal checkpoint wada kon la to bila kap chongten bang chaga ya ka chika ma de ka chare jena bendian bonashi ne tun wan te la criminal chika mat chika wan kana me jaga joy ko bi ka dwal Abyei me mishala Abyei jena wajen shi gwal me de te ke de ka jo da na shalat ke ko zene shinaro itena wal no military group should be inside tell a military group me de ten wan mo kini la de ka ta dan cha deal cha yat pinga but right now I'm right corner the rapid support force she can violate kum Sudan ba she can violate anyogbo within the area wa cha South Sudan soldier de ni South Sudan cha kan enten but kan wan lo dong de te kare bo mutwo wana me bej kashe chon kashe magwa Abyei jen disputed land michi Korea tokten kam Sudan ken South Sudan awantem michi ne de te shalgati rapid support force ka rule gonna violate ngode cha yat pinya wadere fighting daje triggered bo within that area ka wontem wa point kum Sudan ken Khartoum wa tigare ka Juba and Khartoum ka jen current situation tana tama wa lokan kum South Sudan ko kum South Sudan wa lokan rapid support force ne bo ngode direct midit so ta rapid support force je en winami a warik washi magwa ci kondi al wiling bono rapid support force ci kan iglik o yal feel ci kanaka wani mo shine di alchi gen but right now wa go yen and was situation be je long which with me da la me de genale wana kala radian president Salva Kiir me yadit she take ne ga tisha George ne de kon let ka muktab de shaga watch president Salva Kiir me yadit cha Ramadan and mala president private secretary che woj gun mishale Moses Raw ayi cha George kajan bo personal assistant bo charadi mishale John Mading Bol la deputy commissioner revenue authority ba che nyom jo cha no charamu chala call santo are cha kwanya la new private secretary and personal assistant ka ju appoint the president che wuda dan che go chala Moses Raw ayi che nyom ko ja appointed che joje ne ka che reappoint nyok la deputy commissioner of the revenue authority John Mading Bol charge relief already ka position tele micha kam so di ati kana talk ten lat ka rodi re which ka South Sudan then go down ban chungtin mugo jeno der channel register support please subscribe ka turn on the notification bell so michi contact or michi kon ngwa be chamala chibekaya ani bi atakamal bye bye